Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
GPT eBook Pack Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this offer called GPT eBook Pack. So this is the GPT eBook Pack Review. And right now we are on the sales page where it says insert, click, profit, brand new PLR pack turns Chat GPT into your own collection of 10,000 plus unique ebooks in multiple niches. Your very own content business without typing any words yourself. 10,000 plus ebooks with PLR rights included. Hundreds of niches from weight loss to real estate to finance. 100% original written with Chat GPT. Generate amazing ebooks in minutes without typing any words. Use ChatGPT and True AI to create ebooks that read better than paid writers from Fiverr. Your own army of AI-powered robot writers working for you 24/7. Exact same tech that's behind OpenAI and ChatGPT. Never pay for content again. Sell ebooks to clients or give them away for free to build your list. Publish your ebooks on Kindle and become an author. Okay. Each ebook comes with the gorgeous graphic. Just put your name on them and publish. No PLR, no rehashed rewritten content, and no spinner. 1 million plus DFY AI written articles already built in. 10K plus DFY AI written ebooks already built in. 100% UV friendly. Autopilot free traffic in any niche with one click. This is a lie. This is a lie. There's no free traffic, okay? You will get zero traffic if you buy this. No technical skills or experience needed. Zero monthly fees. So this is the offer which you have from these people, Mike and Radu. So if you click on the profile of the vendor, you can see that they have been launching these kind of products in the name of making money. 50 so far. This will be their 51st. So they have these many sales, almost 150,000 sales. Sales also mean that they have these many email addresses as well. So their business is quite simple. They have to come every other week to sell you something because they have these many people into their email list. Okay. So in order to make money for themselves, they have to keep coming back with something or the other in the name, in the name of making money online, and you will keep buying whether you need that offer or not. Okay. And they also know that how much you can afford. So they know that if they sell you something for $500, for $200, you will not buy. They understand their pocket. They understand your pocket size. Okay, that is why they never sell you something beyond $20, right? So it's a, it's an offer, in which they're claiming you will be getting like 10,000 ebooks. Now, what you will do with these ebooks, how will you make money with it? Just because somebody is showing you some fake testimonials, fake screenshots, means nothing here. If you want to know, will this make money for you? The answer is quite simple and straightforward. No, this will not make money to anybody. And then we have the demo video on the sales page of GPT eBook Pack. And this demo video is of their previous product called Profit Books. So if you click on watch on YouTube, I already have actually. So this one here, you see it was uploaded 6 months ago. Okay, so we are on the sales page of GPT eBook and the demo videos for Profits Book. Now I'm not sure if this will be changed by tomorrow. This is launching tomorrow only. So I'm not sure if you will be seeing the same Profits Book demo on GPT eBook Pack sales page, or they will upload a new demo video, because the previous product which you see here, this thingy called Profits ebook, right? So that was also doing the same thing, I guess. It was generating the content using the AI. So if I have to say at present, by looking at the situation right now, I would say they're selling you the same thing with the brand new name, I guess, with a new package. That's all. Okay. So the same thing happening here. You're being sold the rotten pizza in a brand new box. I would say that if they do not remove this demo video by tomorrow. Okay, if you do not see any new demo video for GPT ebook packs, which shouldn't be this Profit Books demo, then that means it's a new thingy. Otherwise, if you still see this Profits Book demo here on the sales page, that means you're being sold the same product with a new name. That's all, right? So let's get back here and what do we have? These are real people leaving fake testimonials. Okay, real people, but leaving fake testimonials that they have bought this and they used it and it made money. It's all lie. It's all a lie. Okay, everything is a sham here. And what else do we have? So we have questions. So what is this chat GPT book? I'm making my questions, in my own words. Is chat is GPT ebook pack cloud based? Yes. Is support and training included 24 divided by 7? Does the GPT, it's a quite confusing. Chat GP, Glenn Kosky, what are you doing here? Does GPT ebook pack work in any niche? It does. Are others getting results with GPT? Yes, they're dead. Does GPT ebook pack cost a monthly fee? Normally, yes, but right now, no. Is commercial license included? Oh, yes. Do I need any skills? No, you don't, right? Cool. Let's get to the top actually and get done with this. So sales page is done, and they do not have any demo video in public. So if you come here and search for a demo video, there's nothing. Okay, there's no demo video as of now. There's no demo video, but they do have some coupon codes. So you can use ebooks admin, and you will get $5 off on all the items in the funnel. Cool, right? And then you have the funnel. So front end will be giving you this. This is the pro version, OTO 1, then you have enterprise, OTO 2, reseller, and IMX, and God knows what else. Okay, so you will be paying them some money here if you get into the funnel. Now the only reason you will buy this if you want 10,000 ebooks as per their promise. Okay, I don't know what will be the duration. Duration means how many words will be there in one ebook. Just 500 words, maybe 200 words, maybe 1,000, maybe 2,000, I don't know. You're saying 10,000 ebooks, but how many words inside one ebook? They don't know. I mean, they are not telling that, right? So with Chat GPT, I guess you generate content which is like 200 words, 300 words, not that long, right? Anyway, so if you want to get these 10,000 ebooks, maybe you can go and buy this if you want to, but if you not make money with this, no, not a chance. You will not make any single penny with this, because what makes money is traffic. Okay, so as I explained their business model, right? So as I have explained their business model, they will come back again and again and again and again to sell you something, because they have an existing email list. Okay, their email list is their traffic. For example, if you have a YouTube channel and you have thousands of subscribers on your YouTube channel, or you have thousands of people in your email list, then you will have to sell them something every other day, right? That's what these people do, because they know what makes money. They have traffic, they sell, they make money. You have no traffic, so no matter what no matter if you buy these 10,000 ebooks, if I for example, if I give you these 10,000 ebooks for free, what will you do with them if you have no one to buy these ebooks from you? Are you getting the point, right? So without traffic, nothing makes money. And if you want my honest answer, don't buy. Okay, they have launched 50 products so far in the name of making money online. So if all these things were supposed to make money, the new product will never be needed. Again, you can see here how many of them are making money for you. All profits and all the garbage. Okay, so nobody cares if you make money or not. All they care about is how do you get into their funnel, how do you pay them 17, then you pay them more and more and more and more and more. That's all they care about. They will come back again by the end of this month. So this is the first week. In the fourth week, they will come back again with a new launch, because again, I'm telling you, they are here to make money for themselves. And if you buy, you make nothing, and you will only lose your $17. Okay, if you want to get back to your senses and make money online, the real money which will come into your bank account, which you can use, which you can withdraw, which you can spend, then you need to go below the video here, below my YouTube video. First of all, subscribe, like, do all that. It's your job. Okay, we have two important links below the video. First link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. This forex trading will help you to make money by currency trading. We have these currencies in the world such as Euro, USD, GBP, USD, AUD, USD, and all that, right? So click on the first link here, come on this page. It says here enter your name and email address, and then click on unlock the syndicate. Go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch the videos there to understand what are you going to get into, because the syndicate is around 8 hours long training. In this training, you will learn the basics of forex marketing, forex trading, and then you will learn how to set up this virtual machine. You will learn how to set up the graph, how to set up a software on this graph and give the settings to the software, and that software will be doing trading on your behalf automatically. Okay, so I am not asking you to do anything manually, but you will have to go through the training to learn how to set up everything. And if you will need any support, you will be able to contact me on Skype. And this thing is done on automation using the software. So the software will be buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high, and you will be making your profits. Okay, so if you have the guts to go through the training for 8 hours and implement everything and absorb and take action, go and unlock the syndicate. If you can't do that, no problem, come back, subscribe, like, and leave. The second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Click on this link here later on. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now. In case you want to make YouTube videos, these reviews, do affiliate marketing, get your YouTube channel monetized, then you can go and get Traffic Jarvis, because this video which I'm making right now, whether you buy something from me or not, I don't even have any selling instincts in my videos. Okay, so I don't really care about selling these Warrior Plus products. So if you want to make money on YouTube, you can make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, you are watching my YouTube video. In this video, you have seen some ads, and these ads will make me money whether you buy something from me or not. Okay, so YouTube pays you for these ads when your YouTube channel is monetized. And to get your YouTube channel monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which you will get with the help of Traffic Jarvis within 2 weeks only. And then your YouTube channel will be monetized. The whole process will take maximum a month. Okay, after that your job is pretty simple. Come on YouTube, make videos, and make money by getting sales, or just with YouTube ad revenue. Okay, so GPT ebook pack, these things will come and go and you will not make any money. But for some reason, if you want to buy these 10,000 ebooks as per them, then you might find the link below which will be saying grab GPT ebook pack. If you are smarter, if you know how to make these ebooks work for you, go and buy it. Otherwise, 99% I would say don't buy. 1% you wanna buy, I will leave the link as per you for your convenience. If you wanna buy, then go and buy. Otherwise, what makes money is simple: my work, manual work, and automation. So if you go below the video again, the first link says make money on autopilot with Forex thingy. So people who do not want to make YouTube videos and you may not have much time, you can go for the syndicate and make money with Forex trading using the software. Okay, if you have time and you want to make videos and you want to work manually, you can go for Traffic Jarvis, or you can go for both, right? So in the end, subscribe, like, and I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.